This is a training video on how to create a new user account within Joomla. The first thing we're going to do in order to create a new user account is to log in to the back end of our website. In order to do that, we're going to type in administrator after our domain name. Okay, and I'm going to use my username and password to log into our website. And I'm logged into the back end of our website. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Site and then User Manager. Okay, and to create a new user, we're going to click on the new icon. And I'm going to quickly fill out these user details. Okay, and now groups. Joomla has built-in groups that will allow you to categorize new users. I'm going to go through each one, just kind of give you a quick little background of what they are, what their permissions are, and what roles they play within Joomla. The front-end users do not have access to the back end, which is the control panel that we're currently now in. Only managers and above have access to the back-end features. So let's go through each of these. A registered user is able to log into the website and see articles or menus or other items that are not published publicly. And Arthur can create a new article or edit an existing article that they wrote. They can't edit anybody else's articles, only their own. An editor has the same privileges as an author. They can create, and they can actually go one step further and edit articles of other people. So they would be able to edit any other author's articles in addition to their own. A publisher has the same rights as an author and an editor. The only difference is they can either publish or unpublish articles or delete articles. So that's all the features of the front-end users. The back-end users, a manager can log into the admin site and they are able to select what groups new users are placed into, or even existing users if you wanted to change somebody's user group, of all of the ones beneath them, the registered, the author, the editor, and the publisher. The administrator has complete administrative rights for the site, and a super administrator is really a reserved account that we use mainly for CAS IT and UAB web communications. So the next thing we need to talk about as far as users go is the user editor. Anytime we create a user that is anybody above the registered level, we need to go over here and make sure that we choose the JCE editor. The JCE editor is just a little word processing application that runs within articles and allows you pretty much to be able to go in and manipulate items, much like a Microsoft Word or some similar software application. So it's very important that we do select the JCE editor and select the correct user group for our new user. And once that's done, you just hit save and your new user is ready to go and log into your website. That's all.